Getting that close when doing like 90 miles an hour, well, not that, but getting that close and doing 70 miles an hour, yeah, that was freaking awesome. Rockingham Speedway for MB Drifts round 2. Drivers are still rolling in today. I showed up a little early. I left the house at 7 o'clock, but they've already had the drivers meeting. I think we're pretty much about ready. About ready to go on track. Just got to go swap some tires around and hop in the car, and we'll go get some laps. All right, we're gonna do some high-speed drifts here. This is a little different layout, kind of a blind entry. I'm really excited about it. First lap out, let's see how we do. Yeah, there we go. Big smoky drifts. Ah, yeah. That felt really good. Car feels good. I feel good. Nothing like getting over the jitters after not driving for a long time. Oh, look at all that smoke. Oh, that was fun. All right, going to a 3-car train. Joe Boosum in front, me in the middle, and Dan Stoneburner in the back. Yeah! Oh, that was sick! That was so awesome! Oh, that was so good! Getting that close when doing like 90 miles an hour, well, not that, but getting that close and doing 70 miles an hour? Yeah, that was freaking awesome. Moments like that, that's why I love drifting, right there. Yeah, let's just get lots of those in and I'll be super, super happy. Okay, tires are done. Okay, time to go get some lunch.
There are usually a couple food trucks here, so we're gonna take a look. I think there's a pizza truck. I'll go get some pizza, maybe something else to drink. Yeah, here we go. Time to get some pizza. And beer. Pizza. So, not too long ago, Corvettes were super, super, stupid expensive, and people thought you were dumb for drifting them. But now, they're everywhere at the track when you're at a drift event. Like, it's interesting, like, the drift community used to be all about, like, beater banger cars or whatever. You didn't feel bad beating it up. You buy the cheapest thing you could. Like, that's why AE86s were so good for drifting for a while, is because they were cheap. So buying, like, even this, like, a $6,000 essentially Corvette, like, mind-blowing not too long ago, but now, like, $5,000, $6,000, that's what you're looking to spend to get into, like, a good drift car. Corvette, 350Z, G35, those are all gonna run you about $5 to $6 grand, and it'll be a good basic setup for drifting. Derek has offered to let me drive it, so we're gonna see what this Corvette thing is all about, and really if it is everything people make it out to be.
I don't like this first corner, so we're gonna grip the first corner here, because that scares me. Whoa! Dude, this power is absolutely insane. You just put your foot down and it goes. I'm over here like clutch kick in and, you know, doing my thing, and I'm like, why am I doing that? Still a little cautious of this. Oh, that was fun.
Alright, driving the Corvette was fun, but I'm ready to go drive my car again. I just tossed on a set of fresh tires and we'll go drive this course and see what it's like in the 86.
Uh-oh. I think we just debeated a tire. Huh. I'll have to go see what happened. How did that happen?
It wouldn't quite be a drift event without some repairs going on at the track.
Oh yeah.
Luckily, Buster here is the man and brought a welder to fix some stuff like this.
Thank you, Buster. Me breaking the shifter made me realize that's like an absolutely needed tool. Gotta bring it every time now.
Re-welded that manifold right back up there.
You can try it.
Right, so since my car, I DB'd a tire, I'm out here to shoot some footage of cars on track. So in this red and blue car, this is Wade Smith, and sorry, I don't know who it is in the silver 350Z. Wade has a big old LS in this S14 here. Super rowdy car, super awesome driver. Then right here in the first 350C, that's Joe Boosum. Then behind him is Dan Stoneburner. I think Joe's 350 has nitrous on it. This car sounds like it's got a big old V8 in it. Don't know if it's an LS or 1UZ or something. Probably an LS. That seems like most likely. This is Anthony Woods. Super awesome dude. He's fairly new to drifting. I think this is his second season actually driving. He used to have a Vert S13 with like this Mario livery on it that he bought from another local guy. There's Derek in his Corvette. Dan Stoneburner again in the S14 that's got a 1UZ, and this time Joe Boosum is following. Getting ready for the competition. This is the comp layout. So this is the third layout that MB Drift ran in one day. Started the big fast one, and then the reverse kind of this, and then ending with this layout as the competition layout. Tony Martin, he is a MB Drift staff member. This is a VQ swapped S13. Such an awesome car. Looks good and it drives good.
All right, this track actually looks like a lot of fun, so maybe I'll go fix my deviated tire and get some laps in before the day ends. Maybe.
Fixed! Let's go get some laps!
Here we go. That's actually a lot of fun. I really like that entry. That entry was like real slippy grippy. It was a lot of fun. So you able to like throw like a really aggressive entry into it.
Well, it was an eventful day. It's the next morning. I forgot to film an outro last night, but it was a good day. You know, car ran well. I had a good time. I got to drive a Corvette. The only downside is, you know, my key broke. My lanyard, I think, caught on my hand or caught on my quick release, and so it ripped the lanyard, and then when we pulled the key out, the key was bent, and then we tried to straighten it, it just snapped, so I'm going to have to get a new key made. But, yeah, you know, it was a good day. Now we're on to day 2, so make sure to keep an eye out for the next video for day 2 of MB Drift. It'll be a little more of the competition runs. I'll have some video from the comp, from other drivers, and you know, just having a good time.